Hi guys, this is Satya here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make 3 recipes using brown rice. The first one is the vegetable brown rice. Take 1 cup of brown rice, wash it thoroughly 3 times and soak it in 2 cups of water for 20 minutes. Then strain it and keep aside. Into a kadai, add in 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, add in a bay leaf, 2 green cardamoms, 2 cinnamon sticks, now add in 1 cup of sliced onions and saute it for a minute. Add in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute it for a minute. Next, add in 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala and saute for 2 minutes. Next, add in 1 green chili cut into pieces, 1/4 cup each of carrots, green capsicum, beans and cauliflower. Saute this for 2 minutes on medium flame. Next, add in 1 cup of brown rice which has already been soaked and saute it with the veggies with light hands for 2 minutes. Add in 1.5 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt and 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Mix everything well. Lastly, add in 2 cups of water and cover the pan. Cook it on low flame for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, this is how it looks. Cover the pan again and cook for 5 more minutes on low flame. Garnish with coriander leaves. Vegetable brown rice is ready. You can serve this with raita. Next is the egg brown rice. First I will show you how to make plain brown rice. Take 1 cup of rice, wash it a couple of times and soak in water for 20 minutes and drain the excess water. Into a pan, pour 2 cups of water and add in the soaked rice. Let it boil on medium flame. This is how it will look after 10 minutes. Stir it lightly and cover and cook for 5 more minutes on low flame. Now the brown rice is ready. Egg brown rice is a perfect lunch post-workout. Eggs are rich in high quality protein, healthy fats and many essential vitamins and minerals. Into a pan, add in 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Add in half a cup of onions finely chopped, 2 to 3 green chilies and saute it for a minute. Add in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon garam masala. Give it all a good mix for about 2 minutes. Next, add in 1.5 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. You may adjust the salt according to your taste. Now I have whisked 3 eggs, so pour it into the pan. Keep the flame on medium to low and let it cook for a minute. Then mix everything together. You may add half a teaspoon of oil at this stage. Now add in 1 cup of cooked rice and mix everything well. Keep the pan on low heat. Next one is a tomato brown rice. Boil 2 cups of water in a pan. Add in 2 large tomatoes, slit on the top, and let it boil for 5 to 8 minutes. Once it cools down, take it out, peel off the skin and blend it. Into a kadai, add in 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 cup of onions, and saute for 2 minutes on medium flame. Add in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, one teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and saute for 2 minutes. You may add around 1/4 cup of water so that the masalas don't stick to the bottom of the pan. Add in 2 green chilies, 1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. Add in the soaked rice. Saute it lightly. Next add half a cup of green peas and give it a good mix. Add in the tomato puree, which amounts to half a cup, and add 1.5 cups of water. Add in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and give it a good mix. Cover and cook for 15 minutes on low flame. After 15 minutes, give it a good mix. Cover the pan and cook for further 5 minutes. Tomato brown rice is ready to be served. You can serve this with any raita of your choice.